Unraveling the Abbey Area, a guide to English phrasal understanding. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases related to Abbey Area. So let's dive in and demystify these phrases for you. Before we talk about an abbey area, let's understand what an abbey is. An abbey is a type of monastery or convent, which is a home for monks or nuns. It's often part of a religious order and is a place of worship and community living. Abbeys are historically significant and can be found throughout the world, known for their architecture and cultural importance. Now, let's look at the word area. In general terms, an area is a specific region or a part of a place, space, or surface. When we talk about an area in everyday English, we refer to a particular location or zone within a larger context. It could be as small as a corner of a room or as large as a region on a map. When we combine abbey with area, we are referring to the surrounding region or vicinity of an abbey. The abbey area could include the abbey's buildings, gardens, lands, and any associated structures. It's often a place of tranquility, history, and cultural significance. Let's see how to use abbey area in sentences. We took a peaceful walk in the abbey area and enjoyed the medieval architecture. The abbey area is under conservation to preserve its historical significance. I hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of abbey area for you. Remember, language learning is all about taking these small steps to enhance your vocabulary and understanding. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!